All right, folks, check this out. Really cool area. Michelle's seen a butterfly. Can you see the butterfly? It's right there. Really fun area. I'm glad we modified the hike a little. It was just kind of a walk in the woods on the regular trail. If that's your thing, then stick to the regular. It's kind of hilly.
That's cool.
Oh yeah, that's weird.
Oh, it's even around here too.
That's pretty neat. Pete.
He's at home.
Yep. Look at that one up there.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I didn't even look that far up.
All right, folks. Continuing our journey, checking out some bluffage. Pretty steep area. Hard to hike. It's all slanted one way. I was kind of drawn to this one though. Kinda cool. And the lake, we'll jump on the Kinkaid Lake Trail, and it'll take us back to another creek. We'll follow that creek up. Look at that creek. That's a really cool creek. Scenic. Oh, that's a impressive tree. Yeah, right there. Yeah. All right. Made our way down. Didn't find a cave or anything, but now we're gonna walk the creek and walk it all the way back to our initial starting trail. Hopefully. We find something?
Oh, this rock. It's cracking me up.
And hopefully skip out some of the hills. Check this out. That's cool. What an interesting looking feature. That's pretty neat. Alright, pretty water here. Pretty area. Probably be a nice waterfall cascade right up there. If it was flowing really good. Alrighty. Little update here. Still enjoying a nice creek walk. Walking the creek. And seen a few more armadillos. So it's kind of interesting, kind of fun to just, you know, when you go on the west side, you know you're going to probably see them. So that's kind of fun. And don't worry. It's pretty area.
Check this fossil out.
Michelle's found a fossil.
Do you see the?
Yeah, that's cool.
It's like a branch off of one of those lepidodendron trees, or however you say
Lepidodendron? Or rodeo cicodia?
No.
Pretty peaceful.
Really?
That rock moved.